point of inflection, a point on the curve is called a point of inflection at which the curve, just a minute, at which the curve changes from concave to convex, wait a minute, or convex to concave, Now, understand one thing. Point, so let me write in short, point of inflection implies y double dash is 0 or y double dash is undefined. I'll just explain you with an example. Explain karunga. Remember, this is important. Point of inflection implies this, not the other way around. Most of the students have seen saying this, not the other way around. Ulta nahi. Y double dash 0 implies point of inflection ये नहीं है. This is wrong. Wait a minute. Point of inflection. Most students have seen saying this. Point of inflection. Most of the students say this is wrong. This is not right. This is the way. But basically, point of inflection means this thing. But how would you find point of inflection? Point of inflection का मतलब होता है y double dash 0 हो या y double dash undefined हो. उल्टा नहीं होता है. Y double dash 0 does not imply point of, ये गलत है. ये ज्यादातर बच्चों को मैंने देखा ये बोलते हुए y double dash 0 implies point of inflection. ये नहीं है, ये गलत है पूरा. That's why I'm rubbing this. उल्टा नहीं होता है. It is not the other way around. Point of inflection means basically either y double dash greater than 0, which means the curve is convex. This means convex, I told you in my earlier video, and y double dash less than 0 implies curve is concave. This is the idea of convex and concave. Let us see what I mean by saying this. मैं ये क्या बोलना चाहता हूँ? Concave to convex and convex to concave. Suppose there is a point like this. So here it is concave in this side, so y double dash less than 0. Here it is convex, y double dash greater than 0. So at this point, the curve is changing from concave to convex. You are going from concave to convex. This is the point. Either it should be in this manner, or it could be, say, either y double dash, let me write it down, y double dash greater than 0 should change to y double dash less than 0, or y double dash less than 0 should change to y double dash greater than 0. इस एग्जांपल में देखो y double dash क्या है, less than 0 है. y double dash less than 0 है, मतलब ये क्या है, इस तरफ concave है, y double dash greater than 0 उस तरफ convex है. तो इस point, on this point the curve has changed from concave to convex. So now this point is the point of inflection. This is the point of inflection. This point on the curve. Or in this example I showed you y double dash is this, or it should be this. Not the other way around. Y double dash 0 is a point of inflection. Most of the students have seen saying this. No. और point of inflection निकालने का बेस्ट तरीका है y double dash. This is the only definition only. y double dash का साइन कॉन्वेक्स से कॉन्केव हो या कॉन्केव से कॉन्केव हो. यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? यहाँ पे यहाँ पे कॉन्वेक्स से कॉन्केव जा रहा है. Wait a minute. Here it is going from convex to concave. Here it is going from concave to convex. So at that point, this point is the point of inflection. This is the actual idea. Don't do anything else on this. Now I'll give you certain examples on this so that things are very clear. Now let's take one example. Let us take an example. See, example number 1. Example 1. Let me take y is equal to x to the power of 1 by 3. Y dash is 1 by 3 x to the power of minus 2 by 3. You know how to differentiate. Now you write y double dash, that is 1 by 3 minus 2 by 3 x to the power of minus 5 by 3. So this can be written as minus 2 by 9 1 upon x to the power of 5 by 3. This is the way. Now at x equal to 0, see, at x equal to 0, y double dash 0 is undefined. Fine. Y double dash 0 is undefined. यहाँ पे 0 पुट करोगे तो infinity हो जाएगा, undefined हो जाएगा. At x, ये yx है, ये सारा yx है, function of x है, undefined है. This is undefined. But see, एक चीज देखो, from infinity to 0, minus infinity to 0, and between 0 to infinity, let us see this number line here. This is the number line. This is, why draw this? No need. This is 0. This is infinity and this is minus infinity. This is, here the numbers are negative. Here the numbers are positive. Here the numbers are negative. Here the numbers are positive. Let me write it down. Wait a minute. Here the numbers are positive, negative. Here the numbers are positive. Now this quantity x to the power of 5, this in this interval. Let me take some space. Let me take some space and then I'll explain you. Wait. Yes. In this interval, in this much interval, this quantity is negative and there is a negative. So y double dash in this interval, y double dash x is greater than 0. And in this interval is 0 to, in this interval y double dash x is less than 0. So it is changing from convex to concave. It is changing from convex to concave. Where at x equal to 0, near x equal to 0. इस 0 के इधर से let us see again. देखो y double dash 0, यहाँ पे 0 पुट करोगे तो undefined है. Now from minus infinity to 0, this quantity will be negative and this is already a negative. So negative positive. So y double dash will be greater than 0. Y double dash greater than 0 होगा. Now in this proportion x is positive and there is this negative sign, so it will be negative in this interval. So convex to concave, it is going at x equal to 0. So x equal to 0 is a point of inflection. देखो, this is still undefined, but still it is a point of inflection. It is still a point of inflection. So x equal to 0 is a point of inflection. Point of inflection. It is a point of inflection. So there can be two things. I told you here. There can be two things. Either y double dash is greater than 0 or it is undefined. So here we got y double dash 0 is undefined and this is x0 is a point of inflection. Now let's take another example. Example, y equal to x cube. Sorry, y function of x. Y function of x is an x cube. Y dash x is 3x square. Y double dash x is equal to 6x. Now see, at x equal to 0, y double dash x, y double dash 0, let me write, y double dash 0 is equal to 0. Put a 0 here, it is 0. Now see, the whole interval 0, infinity and minus infinity. Here it is negative values, here it is positive values. यहाँ पे positive values होता है, यहाँ पे negative. Here you have negative values होता है, यहाँ पे positive value होता है. When I put between minus infinity to 0, y double dash x is negative, less than 0, and between 0 to infinity, y double dash x is greater than 0. It is going from concave to convex. Concave to convex. So, wait a minute. Concave to convex. So x equal to 0 is a point of inflection. Point of inflection. Inflection. Now see one thing. In the previous example at x0, here you can see at x0 y double dash 0 was undefined. पिछले इस एग्जांपल में पिछले देखा था y double dash 0 undefined है, और यहाँ पे हम देख रहे हैं y double dash 0 आ रहा है, यहाँ पे 0 आ रहा है. So point of inflection means either y double dash x is 0, y double dash at that point is 0, or y double dash is undefined. What I have written here, जो मैंने लिखा है यहाँ पे, point of inflection means this, not the other way around. Not the other way around. Basically, it changes from concave to convex. From convex, this is from convex to concave, and this is from concave to convex. This is the point. Now, another example. Let's take another example. Example. Y equal to x to yx, function of x is equal to x to the power of 4. Y double dash x is equal to 4x cube. Sorry, y dash x, not y double dash x. Sorry, it is y double dash x. It is 12x square. See, at x equal to 0, y double dash 0 is 0. Put a 0 here. यहाँ पे 0 put करो, 0 आएगा. Now in this 0 to infinity and minus infinity, here it is a negative number and here is a positive number. So if you take a negative number here, यहाँ पे negative number लोगे, minus x ले लो. So 12 minus x whole square is equal to 12x square, and this is always positive. Always positive. Now if you take a number from here, this side, y double dash x is always positive. This is also positive. There is no change of sign. No change. So no change of y double dash at 0. There is no change at x. There is no change. Wait, let me write not 0 but x. Sorry. There is no change of y double dash x for x greater than 0 and x less than 0. So x equal to 0 is not a point of inflection. Is not a point of inflection. So now you should be clear कि y double derivative, if the double derivative is 0, it does not mean it is a point of inflection. Even if the double derivative is 0, it does not mean it is a point of inflection. Now from this example you should be very clear. देखो अभी तक बोलते थे, तो मैंने ज्यादातर बच्चों को देखा है बोलते हुए y डबल डैश 0 है तो पॉइंट ऑफ इन्फ्लेक्शन है. यहाँ पे देख लो, दिस इज द एग्जांपल. y डबल डैश 0 है तो भी ये पॉइंट ऑफ इन्फ्लेक्शन नहीं है, क्योंकि ये चेंज नहीं हुआ है साइन इसका, y डबल डैश x का. There is no change of sign. This is not a point of inflection because there is no change of sign. So no change of, I should write sign instead of no change. No change of sign, no change of, just a minute, let me write it again. No change of sign of this y double dash for x. So this x is not a point of inflection. Now I hope you have understood what is the point of inflection. Now this is very very important to understand what is point of inflection. This is the way I hope you have understood. Now let me take one more example. Let me take this. Let me take this example. Y equal to x to the power of, let me write. It is a little big example, but doesn't matter. It will help you clear your doubts. X to the power of 2 by 3 x minus 1 to the power of 1 by 3. Now y dash x is 2 by 3 x to the power of minus 1 by 3 x minus 1 this plus x to the power of 2 by 3 1 by 3 x minus to the power of minus 2 by 3. Take the second derivative of x. This is now you go for the chain rule, product rule here and product rule here. Product rule lagao. So 2 by 3 is outside. For this minus 1 by 3 x to the power of minus 2 by 3. Now you take this one as it is. Minus 1 4 by 3 it is, sorry, minus 4 by 3, not 2 by 3, minus 4 by 3. This is 4 by 3. Then x1 to the power of this. Now plus 2 by 3 x to the power of 1 by 3 into 1 by 3 x to the power of minus 1 minus 2 by 3. Now let's do this one, this side. Plus 2 by 3 into 1 by 3. This 1 by 3 is always out. First write 1 by 3 out. First write 1 by 3 out. Now 2 by 3 x to the power of minus 1 by 3 x minus 1 to the power of minus 2 by 3. Now this plus 1 by 3 x to the power of 2 by 3 into minus 2 by 3 x minus 1 to the power of minus 5 by 3. Now let us see what we can collect together. Let us see what we can collect together so that we can see what terms we can collect together. This is 1 by 3. Just a minute. This is, let me check, 2 by 3, 1 by 3, 2 by 3, 1 by 3 minus 2 by 3. So this is 1 by 3 minus 1 minus 4 by 3, 1 by 3, and then 1 by 3 minus 2 by 3. Then let me check, I'm checking everything. 2 by 3, this is x. 1 by 3, this is x. Okay, fine. Now this is 2 by 3 minus 5 by 3. Right. Now you see one thing, one very good thing you will see. Now, sorry, what you can do in this, if you try to take the term x to the power of 1 by 3 and all this, this term, listen, this is the way it is easier. Let us see y double dash x. How does y double dash x behave? So let me take let us solve this y double dash x. If you solve this out, this is minus 2 by 9 x to the power of, you can take yes, you take minus 4 by 3 and wait, you take this quantity out. You take, suppose, no problem. Let us see. There is no need to even take anything. I better tell you what to do. Now see at x equal to 0, let us see the points. There is a point 0 and 1 where this यहाँ पे दो पॉइंट पे प्रॉब्लम होगा, एक तो 0 पे और एक 1 पे. तो let check at x at, we will not go into so deep, x equal to, we will not solve it also, we have to check convex and concave. x0, at x0 this whole quantity is undefined. At x0 as well as at x1. देखो यहाँ पे 0 पुट करोगे, ये नीचे आएगा, इन्फिनिटी हो जाएगा. यहाँ पे 1, you will put 1 here, this will become 1 minus 1, 0 in the denominator. This will make the thing or this will make the thing infinity. So at x0 and y0, at x0 and 1, that 0 is 0 point per 1 point पे, f double dash 0 is undefined. Number 1 point. Y double dash 1 is undefined. Both are undefined. Now see at x For x, now see if we can cut certain points. Let us see. Now at x equal to 0, at x equal to 0, let us see. Yes, we can use this. See how to manipulate this. Y double dash x is, you can take this together this way. See, this is 2 minus 2 by 9, x to the power of 4 by 3, and this is x minus 1 to the power of 1 by 3, and this term, wait a minute, this term and this term will be together, and this will make plus 4 by 9 x to the power of, let me write down, x to the power of 1 by 3, x minus 1 to the power of 2 by 3, and this will be minus 2 by 9 x to the power of 2 by 3, and x minus 1 to the power of 5 by 3. Now this is the problem. This is the whole thing, the y double dash point. Now at 0 this is not defined, at 1 also it is not defined, because 0 पे भी ये डिफाइंड नहीं है, यहाँ पे इंफिनिटी हो जाएगा, यहाँ पे 1 पे इंफिनिटी हो जाएगा, 1 पे इंफिनिटी हो जाएगा, तो दिस इज नॉट डिफाइंड एट 0 and 1. दिस इज अनडिफाइंड, इंफिनिटी हो जाएगा. दिस इज करेक्ट. नाउ सी व्हाट हैपेंस एट 0. 0 more and 0 less. 0 more and 0 less, you have to see. At x equal to, let us try to solve this. What we get, let us try to solve. Let us write y double dash x. Now we have got this is 9. Let us write x to the power of 4 by 3 in this, and let's write x to the x minus 1 to the power of 5 by 3. Now see one thing. This quantity in this, there is no, now this is minus 2. This is minus 2. This is 5 by, how much less it is? This is x minus 1 to the power of 1 by 3, 4 by 3. So 5 by 3, 4 by 3. Sorry. This is, comes out to be, if you take the LCM, 5 by 3, 6 by 3, 5 by 3 and 6 by 3, this comes out to be, your 6 by 3, that is square. नहीं समझ में आया? इसका LCM लिया ना? You taken an LCM of this and this. So this is the biggest one. Here it is one. You have to cross multiply with. Do one thing. Cross multiply this side by this. इसको cross multiply करो. देखो. X minus 1 1 by 3 into x minus 1 5 by 3. You will get x minus 1 6 by 3, that is square. That's why this square has come. This square has come. I hope you have understood now. समझ में आ गया होगा. यहाँ पे LCM लिया गया है. LCM ले रहे हैं हम लोग. We are taking an LCM. हम LCM ले रहे हैं. So यहाँ पे आया -2, और यहाँ पे ऑलरेडी x to the power of 4 by 3 है. x minus 1 5 by 3 से मल्टीप्लाई किया, तो इसको इसके साथ मल्टीप्लाई किया तो 6 by 3 आएगा, that is square. तो this much part is there. देखो यहाँ मल्टीप्लाई किया ना, यहाँ पे देखो x 5 by 3 है, यहाँ पे x 4 by 3 है, 5 by 3 नहीं है ना, तो इसके साथ इसको मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया. क्या ये देखो मल्टीप्लाई किया तो we got this 6 by 3. 6 by 3 मतलब स्क्वायर होता है. Done. This is understood. Now let's understand the other one. Other two factors. Now see. Now you have plus 4. Leave this over. Sorry. Rub this also. Now you have plus 4. Now take plus 4. Now in this you have 1 by 3 already. You need, so this is x1 by 3 and x2 by 3. So now you see this has to become, you multiply this by 3, you multiply this by 1 by, you multiply by x, you multiply this by x, because if you multiply it with here x, this will become x 1 by 4 by 3. You multiply by x and you multiply by x 3 plus 1, so x minus 1. देखो ना, look, this is 1 by 3. Just a minute. This is 1 by 3. This is 1 by 3. You need to you need to make 4 by 3. You need to make this. You need to make this 4 by 3. So multiply x on up and down. So you will multiply x. This is already 2 by 3. You need to make it 5 by 3. Multiply by x minus 1 up and down. Up and down. So this will be, नहीं आई बात समझ में? देखो ये 1 by 3 है. x नीचे क्या है? 1 by 3 है. एक x से मल्टीप्लाई करो ऊपर, एक x से करो. You multiply x and x on up and down. So what will happen? X. This will become x 4 by 3. Now here it is x minus 1 2 by 3. You multiply by x minus 1 and you multiply here by x minus 1. यहाँ पे ऊपर नीचे x minus 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे, तो this will become x 5 by 3. तो ये 5 by 3 बन जाएगा. I hope now you have understood this thing. So now with this working, now minus 2, see this is 2 by 3 and this is 4 by 3. So what you need is what you need in this, it is, let us see, you need not 5 by 3, just a minute, let me check. If you take the LCM, x 2 by 3, if you're differentiating this, 2 by 3, this and this. Now x 2 by 3, 1 by 3 minus 2 by 3. Now you're trying to differentiate this part. This part is 2 by 3. Okay, so 1 by 3 is here. This part you are differentiating. This part has been differentiated. This 1 by 3 has come here. 2 by 3 minus this 1 by 3, x 2 by 3 minus 2 by 3, x minus 5 by 3. So x minus 5 by 3. So okay, no problem. So x is, okay, this is x is 2 by 3. I think I made a mistake here. Just a minute. X is 2 by 3. Did I make a mistake? Wait a minute. X 2 by 3. And what is remaining? 4 by, okay, done. Okay, see, there is no x, very simple. Here, you multiply this one by, multiply this one by x 4 by 3. x 4 by 3 up and down. इस चीज को, इस वाले पोर्शन को you multiply this much portion with x 4 by 3 up and down. So x 2 by 3 into x 4 by 3, that is 6 by 3 x square it is. Now it's done. Now whole thing is done. Open up the brackets. Y double dash x is equal to minus, this is 2 out, x square plus 1 minus 2x. Done. Plus 4x square minus 4x minus 2x square upon 9x 4 by 3 x minus 1 5 by 3. Now y double dash x is equal to minus 2x square minus 2 minus plus 4x square minus 4x minus 2x square upon 9 x to the power of 4 to the power of 1 by 3, right, like this, x minus 1 to the power of 5 whole to the power of 1 by 3. Now this one cancels with 4x square. See, 4x square, this and this cancels, plus 4x and minus 4x cancels. What you are left with, जो बाकी है वो है y double dash x minus 2 upon 9x to the power of 4 1 by 3 x minus 1 to the power of 5 whole 1 by 3. This can be written like this. Now see, at x0 it is undefined, at x equal to 1 it is undefined. मैंने पहले बोल चुका हूँ x0 पे भी undefined है, x1 पे भी undefined है, परंतु x के 0 के राइट पे और 0 के लेफ्ट पे, for x let us take this 0 to infinity and this is minus infinity. Sorry, this is minus infinity. Here it is negative, here it is positive. So because of this condition, it is always positive. Because of x near, I am talking very near x, this portion very near x. This side it is negative and this side it is positive. So y double dash 0 does not change sign. Does not change sign near 0. Near actually it is near x equal to, rather I should say x belongs to 0 minus x, yes, x equal to 0, near x equal to 0. So see, at x less than 0, this is always positive quantity. This is always a positive quantity, whatever this may be. This is C. X less than 0, this is, I am not talking about 1. I am not talking about 1. I am talking about near 0. At x less than 0, y double dash does not change sign. Y double dash x, at x less than 0, y double dash x is greater than 0. And at x greater than 0, at x greater than 0, y double dash x is y double dash x. See, at x greater than 0, see, at x greater than 0, this is always a positive quantity. I am not worried about this quantity. I am not worried about this. This will not play a major role. I am talking about very near to 0. Near to 0, less than 1. Let's write it this way. So this will not play a major quantity. This will be always be positive. Y double dash is also greater than 0. मैं ये कहना चाह रहा हूँ, I'm taking the point now you see, I'm taking the point x like this, between 0 minus epsilon and 0 plus epsilon, which is of course less than 1. I'm not taking more than 1. मेरा जो point है वो 0 के आसपास है, because जो curve change होगा वो 0 के point 0 point के आसपास change होता है. इधर देखो 0 के आसपास चेंज होता है. ये देखो 0 के थोड़ा सा आसपास, थोड़ा सा आसपास चेंज होता है. ये it changes very near to 0, not that you go here and you go there, not that, near the point. So this is not changing its sign. So x equal to 0 is not a point of inflection, not a point of inflection. Now let's check at x equal to 1, near 1 I should say. At x equal to near 1. At x equal to near 1. At x equal to 1, see, y double dash for x less than, where is the, here it is for us. Here it is. For less than 1, it will be negative and it will become positive. At greater than 1, this will be positive and this will be negative. Let us see, understand it again. You have y double dash minus is there, 2 9x4 to the power of 5. Leave this, let me rewrite it. X to the power of 4, just a minute, x to the power of 4 whole 5, and then you have x minus 1 to the power of 5, 1 by 3. Now at x less than 1, y double dash is, this quantity is negative and there is a negative, it becomes positive. At x greater than 1, this is positive and this is a negative, so y double dash is less than 0. So at x equal to 1, near x equal to 1, that is between 1 minus epsilon and 1 plus epsilon basically. And near x equal to 1, it's always near. हर समय पॉइंट के आसपास होता है, नियर द पॉइंट, नॉट फार अवे. हर समय आसपास ही होता है. At x equal to 1, y double dash x changes from this to y double dash x less than 0. So x equal to 1 is a point of inflection.